Are you thinking of starting your own flock of local chickens, but don't know where to begin? You are in the right place. In this video, I will guide you step by step on how to raise healthy, happy local chickens, even if you are a complete beginner. Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. If this is your very first time you've come across this channel, kindly subscribe. And to my returning subscribers, thank you so much for always coming back. I appreciate your love and your support. So let's get started. How to raise local chicken for beginners. Local chickens, also called native chickens, are a great choice for beginners because they are hardy, easy to manage, and well adapted to the local environment. Plus, they fetch a higher price in the market for their natural taste and quality. What you will need to get started: you want to start your own local chicken farming. All what you need to getting started: first, you need to build a house or a coop. Either you build or you buy. Another thing, the chicken house doesn't have to be expensive. It just needs to protect the birds from rain, wind, and predators like dogs and the rest. Provide enough space, about 1 square meter for every 5 birds if they are free ranging. Another thing that you will need is their feeders and the waterers. Of course, you need to look for containers that you'll be able to put their feed, and then you give them clean water. Another area, in the area of feeding your chickens, local chickens love to forage, but it's good to supplement their diet with grains like maize, millet, or kitchen scraps like vegetables and even vegetable peels. And another thing is always ensure they have clean water. That water, as I used to say all the time, that water that you yourself you drink, that is the same water you can give to your birds. That water that that you will not be able to drink, please don't give it to your chicken. So water is just as important as feed. Another thing that we are going to look at is health and diseases prevention. Local chickens are tough, but they can still get sick. The most common problem in local chicken is Newcastle disease. If you'll be able to fight this Newcastle disease, I can assure you that you're on your way to success in local chicken farming. So make sure to vaccinate early. Immediately they are hatching, make sure you vaccinate both the chicks and the hen. Also, keep their living area clean to avoid parasites like lice and worms. I made a video on how to prevent lice from your poultry farm. You can go through the channel and watch that video using ash. If you are using ash in your poultry farm, there is no way you will see lice in your poultry farm. And the only thing that you need to do is to be consistent when applying that method. And you may ask a question, how many do I need to start? When starting your local chicken farming, you may decide to start with just a hen and a cock, because you can see all these farmers that you are seeing with thousands of chicken, they did not start like that. I believe they started small and they now grew. They started small and grew. So as I said earlier, you can start with just a hen and a cock, and then it's a must for you to look for all those things that I mentioned earlier. Example, they are the chicken house, and then before you know, you will grow into 20, 50, 100. Local chicken are good in production. Build a simple coop, feed them well, keep them healthy, and let nature do the rest. Local chicken is affordable, rewarding, and perfect for beginners. So if this video has really helped you, please remember to subscribe, like, and share so that it will get to other people that may be thinking of going into poultry farming. Local chicken. Thanks so much.